Guys, today we're talking summertime. More specifically, I'm going to be giving you guys my top 10 recommendations for shorts to wear over the summertime. Listen, a lot of you guys have requested this video. A lot of you guys wanted my opinion on summer shorts. Well, here it is. Now, a couple little disclaimers before we get into this. I've been going through trial and errors in anticipation for this video, and I feel like I've come up with a pretty comprehensive top 10 shorts. Now, I will say I was kind of thinking of throwing in some kind of a little bit more, I guess, shall we say, for lack of better words, vacation shorts, you know, like floral, bright colors and stuff like that. But I thought, you know what, let me just save that for a separate video and let me just focus on like extremely wearable day-to-day shorts that you can just wear out and about. I am actually going on vacation in about a week's time. So if you would like to see a video centered around kind of vacation clothing and style and sneakers, whatever you want to see, let me know and I'll get that video done maybe while even I'm on vacation. And now with the disclaimers out of the way, let's get into it. There's not really a particular order. Each of these shorts have pros and cons, and of course I'm going to go through what they look like on, how they fit, the price tag, what kind of scenarios you would wear these in. And let's start off with one of my favorite pairs of shorts right now, and that is the Represent mesh shorts. So these coming in at a retail of £90 are, yes, a little bit more pricey. I believe that's like $110 US, but I will say for what you're getting, the quality is, I mean, it's unmatched. Mesh shorts, I think, are essential. I think a pair of mesh shorts are just so clean, especially in the summertime, because obviously they're super breathable. So there's a real mix of like, they look great, but they're also super functional. One critique I would say is that they're a little bit long, but again, with any of the shorts on this list, if you prefer your shorts to be above the knee or even shorter, all you gotta do is just flip the waistband and now you've got a shorter short, which in fact looks pretty cool. The flipped waistband will get hidden by your t-shirt on top, so I think that's a cool little hack. If you ever wanted to wear, you know, shorter shorts, you don't necessarily need to buy a specific length, just flip them up. Next up, we've got another one from Represent. This is their cargo shorts. Now these are definitely on the pricier side. These come in at £125, maybe that's like $130 US, maybe 140. What you will feel is the freaking quality. These things can last you a lifetime. Like, they are super good quality. The fit of them is sensational. They're kind of like the perfect height, at least for me personally. They're pretty minimal, they're pretty simple, so they're not like overdone cargos with like a million different pockets and strings and stuff all over them. Definitely like these. I wear them a lot. They're super nice, great quality, great fit. Another banger from Represent. This one is probably one of the most popular, and I think one that we've seen a bajillion people wear, and that is the Fear of God. I guess we call these the fabric shorts or the sweat shorts. These retail at £75, which I think for what you're getting is pretty reasonable. I believe out in the US that works out to be like, what, maybe $100, something like that, $80, something around that point. But the main reason you buy this, I think, is obviously the fit, and then just the way that it looks and the colors that they do. I think this is something you can wear not just in the summer, but springtime or any season where it's warm enough and you want to throw shorts on. This can definitely be a great option. It's just something about Fear of God sweatpants, Fear of God shorts. They just look so good, and these are definitely a very strong recommendation. Now, based on how much I like those Fear of God shorts, I went out and bought another pair, and this is kind of like the first time I've ever worn these because I just never had them in the past, and that is the Fear of God, I guess, what are we calling these, swim shorts? I don't know. I think they might be called Fear of God Essentials, like nylon shorts or something like that. Completely different material, different fit as well. These are a lot shorter. Now, I will say the benefit of that is obviously just breathability. It's super comfortable. They don't even feel like you're wearing anything. Almost like a double layered nylon, super silky, soft, and just everything you want in a pair of shorts. Really isn't much stretch to this, which I would say kind of falls on the con side, because when you sit down or when you overstretch your legs, you can kind of feel it causing tension. You kind of feel a little bit constricted. I think their best application is going to be on vacation, on holiday, when you're by the beach or something, or you're swimming. This would be something that I definitely recommend. It's super breathable, it's lightweight. These only retail for £60, so definitely a little bit more towards the affordable side. I think out in the US that's like, what, $70, $80. I've got ones that look almost just like this, but I think they're even better. I'm talking about the latest collaboration with Zara, and this is the Rugi, however you say that, but this is the collaboration with Zara shorts, and I gotta say, I didn't have like high hopes for these things. I wasn't expecting much for the price tag, but when I got these things in, I instantly just fell in love. This is gonna be one of my favorite shorts this summer. I feel like these are almost a direct comparison to the Fear of God shorts. Like, they're almost identical in terms of color. The material on the Zara pair is a lot more, I guess, just more swim short-esque, if that makes sense. It's just all over nylon. It's not double layered. It doesn't feel like anything too complicated. These are also a little bit longer than the Fear of God shorts, which I also appreciated. I got them in 2 colors because they are super affordable. I only paid £20 for these. Now, that was the sale price, which if you do want either of these, they are on sale on Zara right now. Also, really dope colors, neutral tones. Like, these are just 2 pairs of shorts that you can match perfectly with sneakers, with slides, with foam runners, whatever you want. These are going to be a very high recommendation from me and something I'm going to be wearing heavy this summer. Next up, we've got Stussy coming into the mix. The ones that I wanted to add to this list is their pair of mesh shorts. This is specifically the 8-ball mesh short. For the most part, it is super plain, super simple. I really like the fit of it and also the quality. This is decent quality. The pockets are not zipped up or anything like that, so again, that's something to be careful of. You got your phone in here, your keys or whatever. They are £90 here in the UK, which I think is a bit steep for what they are. Got some really vibrant colors, some more neutral colors as well, so a lot of options when it comes to Stussy mesh shorts. Next up, we got a pair of shorts from the brand called Sporty and Rich. Here we've got the Cobalt colorway. This is a brand that does a million different colors. It kind of fits super retro-like, so I really like the way that that looks. There's a really nice wash to their shorts as well. Like, this is got a kind of vintage wash, or just it's faded, which is really nice. It's not an overpowered type of color, and that's kind of why I recommend wearing more retro-inspired fits with these, because I think that's going to be your best bet. Retail price on these is $75, which I think is somewhat reasonable. Right, next up, we are going with a pair of basketball shorts, and these, let me just tell you guys, these are solid. Of course, Jordan Brand is behind this incredibly cool looking pair of basketball shorts. I've got a couple pairs of Jordan shorts, Jordan basketball shorts, and I think these are significantly better quality than what at least I've experienced. This little embroidery just below the back pocket, I think that looks pretty cool. Diamond shapes around the legs as well, which I think are just like a signature for basketball shorts. It's all just kind of sewed on really nice. It feels thick. You've got the huge embroidered Jumpman logo. Again, they're mesh shorts, so they're super breathable and I guess lightweight to some degree. However, you will feel the weight of this material because it is a lot thicker and it is just a lot better quality than some of the competition. They're not super long like a lot of other basketball shorts. Like, these are definitely a lot more, I guess, lifestyle, and I think that really complements your outfits when it comes to matching sneakers, hoodies, t-shirts, whatever it is. These only retail at £65, which is probably about $70 to $80 out in the US. These are going to be the last ones on my list, and I'm going to kind of put them all together, and that is basically just gym shorts. I think gym shorts are great for the summertime, so I picked out 3 of my absolute favorite pairs of shorts right now that I'm going to recommend. They don't have to be for the gym. Obviously, you can wear them to the gym, what they're intended to be for, but I think you could just wear these around casually. They look clean, and I think just match up with a bunch of different outfits. First recommendation is going to be a pair of Gymshark shorts. These things are going to be your absolute budget. These are the cheapest ones on this list. I paid £20 for these. This is their camo arrival short, I think they call it. My next one is definitely a little bit more up there in terms of not only style but quality. This is the Represent 247 short. These retail at £85. You can find these on sale at specific places. Quality on these is next level. These things are going to last you a very long time. Now we're getting into a little bit more of the crazier side, but I definitely wanted to add these in. This is the Free Train, I can't remember what they call them. It's the Free Train shorts. Now these, I believe, are designed kind of for running mainly, but obviously I don't run. I just wear these to the gym and I wear them around casually. Now this is definitely the crazier pair, but you can get just a regular black color. Super affordable, coming in at only £30. But listen guys, that is my list. Those are hopefully going to get you summer ready and looking fly as hell. Now listen guys, if you've got any more recommendations that you want to throw at us down in the comment section, please do. Any recommendations, help us all out, help the community. Thank you for coming through, hanging out. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then.